TMD Hosting is one of the more popular web hosting providers, but is it the right fit for you? In this video, we'll cover 12 key things you need to know before buying from them. Stay tuned till the end to find out if it's worth your investment and how it compares to other hosting options out there. First thing, TMD Hosting offers a range of hosting services, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers. But when compared to competitors like Bluehost or HostGator, TMD Hosting's pricing can be a little on the higher side, especially for their basic plans. While the features are good, it might not be the most budget-friendly option if you're just starting out. Next thing, they provide solid customer support with 24/7 live chat, phone support, and ticketing. But here's the catch. Response times can vary. While you may get quick replies during business hours, things tend to slow down at night compared to bigger competitors like SiteGround, where response times are generally faster, especially during peak hours. The third thing to consider is their uptime performance. TMD Hosting has a solid reputation for uptime, typically boasting 99.99%. But compared to some of the best in the industry, like A2 Hosting, you might notice slightly slower speeds on certain days. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth keeping in mind. Next, let's talk about the control panel. TMD Hosting uses cPanel, which is the industry standard. This is great for beginners and advanced users alike. However, if you're used to a custom-built interface like you'd find with InMotion hosting, you may feel like it lacks some intuitive design features. The fifth thing, TMD Hosting offers free daily backups, which is a huge plus. This ensures that your data is safe, especially if you're running a business or managing a website with crucial data. Other hosting providers, like GoDaddy, often charge extra for this, so it's a significant value add. The sixth thing is speed. While TMD Hosting provides decent loading times, they don't quite match up to performance-oriented hosts like WPX or Kinsta, which are specifically optimized for WordPress. However, for small to medium-sized sites, TMD Hosting should be more than sufficient. Next, the seventh thing. TMD Hosting servers are spread across multiple locations worldwide, including the US, Europe, and Asia. This global reach is beneficial if your audience is spread out, but for localized websites, other providers might offer better geo-targeted options, like SiteGround, with their regional server network. The eighth thing is security. TMD Hosting includes free SSL certificates with all of their plans, which is a standard practice. But unlike some competitors, like DreamHost, TMD Hosting doesn't include a lot of advanced security features in their basic plans, which might be a downside if you're running a high-traffic or high-risk website. Now, the ninth thing. TMD Hosting offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is more generous than most other hosting companies, where the average is 30 days. This gives you plenty of time to test the service and decide if it's the right fit for you. The 10th thing to consider is scalability. While TMD Hosting works well for small to medium-sized websites, it doesn't scale as seamlessly as bigger providers like Liquid Web. If you're planning to grow your website significantly or run resource-heavy applications, you might find yourself outgrowing TMD Hosting's offerings. Next, TMD Hosting offers a variety of add-ons, including website builders like WordPress and website migration services. While these are useful, other hosts like A2 Hosting provide similar services without additional charges, which could make a difference for budget-conscious users. The 12th and final thing, TMD Hosting is a solid option for smaller to medium websites, especially for beginners. The hosting is reliable and the pricing is competitive, though it may not be the best option for larger websites or if you need cutting-edge performance and features. While TMD Hosting is a good option overall, if you want a better solution, check out our recommended hosting provider, which offers a similar range of features and even a free trial to help you decide.